This is what your desktop look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to install this cool theme on your Windows 11 computer. I'll show you step by step how to install this theme and icon pack. One more thing, this theme is not going to affect your system performance, so I'll show you step by step how to install it. Let's dive in. Okay, before we start, it is always a good practice to create a restore point. Just click on search and type for create, and then click on create a restore point, and in here you need to select your C drive and then click on create and then give it a name and then click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using this restore point. And then we need to ready your system for using custom theme. We are going to use this tool called futuristic theme tool. Just right click on it and extract files and then click on OK, and then cut this folder into C drive and paste it here. Then open this folder, and here you can see this theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. And you need to select these two boxes, these three boxes, and then click on install and then click on yes. It will require reboot. I'll be right back after rebooting my computer. Okay, system has been patched. Now our Windows 11 is ready to use any custom theme. Now we need to apply the theme. This theme is called Garuda version 2. Just extract this theme file and then click on OK and open this theme folder. Go to this Windows 11 themes and copy these theme files. Then click on this PC, go to local disk C and then go to Windows folder, and in here you need to find resources folder. Here you can see, and open this theme directory and then paste it here. Then click on this box and click on continue. Now we need to apply the theme. Just go to C drive and open the Sycorex theme tool. Again, here you can see this theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, now we need to apply the theme. Here you can see this Garuda dark version 2. Just select that theme and then click on patch and apply. Okay, theme has been applied. Here you can see this theme has been applied. Now we need to apply the icon pack. Here you can see this icon pack is called Beauty Dream icon pack. Just extract this icon pack folder and then click on OK and open this folder, and here you can see this 70sp Beauty Dream folder. Just open this and rename this icon pack. Remove this remove text. Okay, now we need to use this software called 70sp. Just right click on it and extract files and then click on OK and open this 70sp folder, and we need to rename it as well. And then right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on yes. And now we need to click on add custom pack and open this Beauty Dream folder, 70sp Beauty Dream folder, and select this icon pack, and now click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the process. I'll be right back after completing this process. If you see a error like this, just leave it. So icon pack has been installed. Here you can see, please reboot your Windows to complete this process. Just click on yes to reboot your computer. The icon pack has been applied. Here you can see these new icons. Now we need to install these tools called Start All Back. Double click on it and then click on run. Back, double click on it and then click on install for everyone. Then click on yes. And then you will see a pop-up like this. Just close it, right click on taskbar and then click on properties, then turn off this taskbar and then click on restart now, and then select this start menu tab and turn off it as well, and then go to this Explorer tab, and in here you need to select this Windows 7 command bar. Okay, that's it. Now we need to use this tool called Rainmeter to add some blur effect on background. Just right click on it and click on extract files, and then click on OK, and cut this folder into C drive and paste it here. Then open this folder, and here you can see this register file. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator, and then click on yes, and then click on OK. So it will apply blur effect on your Windows. Now we need to remove this sideline. Just go to C drive and go to this release folder and double click on this config file, and here you can see this show line. We need to make some changes here. Make it true to false, then click on file and save, and that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.